to the English readings. I'm Laura from the library, and today we are going to start with an amazing book. This story is Pete the Cat and his 4 Groovy Buttons, written by James Dean. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. Yes, he loved his buttons so much, so he sang this song.
My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons.
Yes.
Oh no.
Until, oh no, one of the buttons popped off and rolled away. Yes, rolled away. Then Pete the Cat counted. How many buttons are left?
3.
4 minus 1 equals 3. Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no.
Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song.
My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons.
Until, pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. Yes, poor Pete. How many buttons are left? Yes, 2 buttons left. Did Pete cry? No, goodness no, because buttons come and buttons go. So he kept on singing his song.
My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons.
Again, oh no, another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? Yes, how many? Just 1 button. Did Pete cry? No, goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. So he kept on singing his song.
My button, my 1 groovy button. My button, my 1 groovy button.
Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 0. Yes, 0. So, did Pete cry? No, goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt. And what do you think he saw? Yes, his belly button. And he kept on singing his song.
My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button.
I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness no. We keep on singing. The end. Very good, kids. We finished with this story, Pete the Cat and his 4 Groovy Buttons, written by James Dean. Remember that it's important to read. If you have a book at home, just give you the time and read it. You can read a wonderful story by day or by week. Thank you so much for paying attention, and I will see you here the next week with another wonderful story. Bye!